When it comes to choosing varieties for our gardens, I think what we want are really good performers, ones that are going to put on a good show, that don't need a whole lot of care and attention, and ones that, if possible, will give a long display over the whole of the growing season. So if you're looking for a really nice, compact growing, free flowering variety of daylily, then this variety that's called Hemerocallis Yellow Bouquet is one that you'll probably want to take a close look at. For here's one that's hardy throughout the whole of our northeast and mid-Atlantic region. It only grows about 18 inches or so high. It carries lots and lots of flower buds that then, when they open to these really very pretty little double bright yellow flowers that look so cheery and stand up nicely above the foliage. Like other daylilies, it's easy to grow. It loves to grow in a sunny, well-drained position. And what's neat about this variety is that it has a pleasant fragrance, but also the most important thing of it, I think, is that it also reblooms well. In fact, it's been recorded as having 3 different flushes of rebloom through the season. Now, it's a nice early season bloomer coming out first in early summer, and that means that you're going to get extended color through the whole of the growing season. Raised and introduced by Ruth Webster of Northern Alabama in 1983, and given an award, an honorable mention from the American Hemerocallis Society, this is indeed an excellent, easy to grow little perennial that I think you'll enjoy growing in your garden. This is Hemerocallis Yellow Bouquet.